So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can draw in Instagram chat. And if you are missing out this option, then how you can get it, we'll discuss the both things. So first, let's see that how you can draw it. First of all, you have to go to the inbox of the person you want to draw in the chat of. And here you can see that I've already drawn on this chat. And now how you can do it, you have to tap on this plus button available in the chat and tap on this draw button. Now you can draw anything. And you can also select any color, like I'm gonna select green, and you can write anything. And simply tap on the send button and it will be drawn in the chat. But if you're not getting this option, that what you can do is you have to go to your app store if you are on iPhone, and you have to go to your Play Store if you are on Android, and you have to search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application. Your app needs to be updated for using this doodle or draw feature. But if your app is already up to date, but you are still not getting this option, then you have to go back and go to your profile section. And after that, you have to tap on this hamburger icon available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone. This works absolutely the same on both of the devices. And after that, here under how you use Instagram section, the last option is update Instagram. So this internal update is also mandatory if you want to use the draw feature. So tap on update Instagram and tap on update now, and you will be able to see a new interface on your Instagram account like this one. And then after updating your account, you'll be able to draw in Instagram chat. Thank you so much.